Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get the mammoth in Eco's Brea by finding all the fossil locations. The mammoth unlocks only after you collect every required fossil piece, so knowing the exact spots save you a lot of time. So first of all, the first fossil spawn is in the tar pits area. So you need to walk near the bubbling tar pools and look around the edges for a brown half buried bone glowing slightly. Now it usually appears on the left side of the main pit. The second fossil is in the rocky ridge zone. So you need to climb the ridge path and check the small caves along the wall. Once the caves contain the mammoth skull, which is one of the most important pieces. The third fossil is in the frozen field section, so you need to head to the snowy part of the map and search around the broken ice chunks. The mammoth rib fossil usually spawns beside the largest ice blocks. The fourth fossil is near the forest clearing, so you need to look around the fallen trees and bushes for the fossil sticking out of the ground. This one blends into the dirt, so walk slowly to spot the glow. Now, after collecting all of the pieces, you need to return to the fossil restoration tent in the main camp. Interact with the workstation, place every mammoth fossil, and you need to just simply complete the restoration process to unlock the mammoth permanently. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.